Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's hot topic. Today I want to talk to you about not how you should stretch, but reasons why you should stretch. Now keep in mind you should only stretch a warm muscle, never stretch a cold muscle. So think of your muscles like Laffy Taffy. If you take the Laffy Taffy out of the package and you want to just go and try and rip it, it's going to tear and rip apart. So your muscles are going to do the exact same thing. So before you do any exercises or any stretching, you want to make sure that you've kind of warmed yourself up a little bit. So the first reason why you want to stretch is it decreases muscle stiffness, increases your range of motion, and therefore altogether it improves your posture. Now, if you have really tight muscles, most of us have really tight pec muscles and we hunch our shoulders forward like this. Most of the time it's because we have cell phones or we have a desk job in front of the computer. But if you're stretching, you're gonna open up your chest area. It relaxes your muscles so they're not quite as tight. And naturally your shoulders will wanna kind of go back because they're not being pulled forward, and then you'll have better posture. So those are things to work on if you want better posture, just to kind of decrease some of that stiffness in your muscles. Next reason is it's going to reduce your risk for injury and increase your overall functional performance when you're exercising. So this can be done before your exercise. Again, make sure that you walk for 5 minutes before you do any exercises, and then you can go into stretching before you do any strenuous activity. Third thing that also goes with exercise is it helps relieve post-exercise muscle aches and pains. So your body's warm, you want to make sure you stretch. You'll get the most benefit out of your muscles that have just worked out if you're stretching afterwards. Fourth reason, it reduces your stress and it also helps manage your stress. Most of the time I call it eating your shoulders when people are super stressed, because you can see they kind of come in like this and their shoulders are just really super tight. So stretching is going to help relax those shoulders, and it'll give you this sense of, oh, I'm a little bit more relaxed, things not quite so stressful as it first appeared to be. Fifth reason, it promotes circulation. So it's going to bring blood flow to your muscles, and it's just going to help everything in your body just function and feel better, because when you have better circulation, it promotes healing. You're not quite as tired. You can do things. Again, you're not quite as tired. So it's promoting that circulation. Then the last reason, and this is super important as far as a chiropractic reason, is it decreases your risk of low back pain. Tight hamstrings has been directly linked to low back pain. So if you stretch out your hamstrings, you can avoid having your back go out. And those of you who've had your back go out know it's not very fun. I mean, although we love seeing you in the office, if you do these simple stretches for your hamstrings, it can prevent some major issues down the line with low back issues. So these, now you can know why you're stretching, not necessarily how you are stretching, but these are the main reasons why stretching is super important. So hopefully you'll take these. It'll give you a little bit more incentive to stretch. That's all I have for you this week. We'll see you guys next time.